Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha and today we are going to talk about something that is becoming a must-have skill in the event industry, making events sustainable. Now we all love events, weddings, concerts, corporate shows. They look amazing, feel exciting and create unforgettable memories. But have you ever thought about the environmental and social impact behind these events? The waste, the energy usage, the leftover food. It is massive. And this is exactly where ISO 20121 comes in. Today I will show you how you can make your events sustainable step by step using this powerful international standard. Now, understanding sustainability. Before jumping into steps, let's understand what sustainability really means in the context of ISO 20121. It is not just about being eco-friendly, it is about balancing three key aspects: environmental impact, social responsibility, and economic success. ISO 20121 provides a structured framework that helps you plan, manage, and improve events in a way that reduces harm while maximizing value. It is not about making events complicated, it is about making them smarter and more efficient. Now let's have a look on the steps to follow. Step 1. Setting the foundation with ISO 20121 planning. Everything starts with planning. According to ISO 20121, you need to first understand the scope of your event and identify its potential impacts. This includes waste generation, energy usage, water consumption, and transportation. Once you identify these areas, you set clear sustainability objectives. For example, you might aim to reduce plastic use, minimize food waste, or lower energy consumption. This step creates a strong foundation for everything that follows. Then comes step 2, identifying stakeholders and their expectations. A key part of ISO 20121 is understanding stakeholders, everyone who is involved in or affected by your event. This includes clients, suppliers, attendees, sponsors, and even local communities. Each stakeholder has expectations, and aligning them with your sustainability goals is crucial. When everyone is on the same page, it becomes much easier to implement sustainable practices effectively. Then we have step 3, choosing a sustainable venue strategically. Your venue plays a major role in sustainability. ISO 20121 encourages you to select venues that already have eco-friendly practices in place, such as energy-efficient systems, proper waste management, and water-saving measures. The location also matters. A centrally located venue reduces travel distances and emissions. A smart venue choice can significantly reduce your event's environmental footprint right from the beginning. Then we have step 4, resource management. Reduce, reuse, rethink. Resource management is at the heart of sustainable events. ISO 20121 focuses on reducing unnecessary usage, reusing materials wherever possible, and rethinking traditional practices. For example, instead of single-use plastics, you can use reusable or biodegradable alternatives. Digital invitations can replace printed ones. Decorations can be repurposed. These small changes collectively create a huge impact. Now we have step 5, that is sustainable food and catering practices. Food management is one of the biggest challenges in events. ISO 20121 promotes responsible catering practices such as accurate portion planning, choosing local and seasonal food, and minimizing waste. Leftover food can be donated to charities instead of being discarded. This not only reduces environmental impact but also creates a positive social contribution. Then comes step 6, energy efficiency and smart usage. Energy consumption can be optimized by using efficient lighting, such as LED systems, and minimizing unnecessary usage. ISO 20121 encourages monitoring energy consumption and exploring renewable options where possible. Even simple actions like switching off unused equipment can contribute significantly to sustainability. Then comes step 7, managing transportation and carbon impact. Transportation is a major contributor to an event's carbon footprint. ISO 20121 suggests encouraging public transport, carpooling, or shared mobility options. Choosing accessible venues and even organizing virtual or hybrid events can further reduce travel-related emissions. Managing transportation smartly helps lower the overall environmental impact. Then comes step 8, working with sustainable suppliers. Your suppliers and vendors are an extension of your event. ISO 20121 emphasizes selecting partners who follow sustainable practices. Clear communication of your sustainability goals ensures that vendors align with your vision. When your entire supply chain is responsible, your event becomes truly sustainable. Then we have step 9 with us, monitoring, measuring, and improving. One of the strongest aspects of ISO 20121 is its focus on continuous improvement. After the event, you measure performance, how much waste was reduced, how efficiently resources were used, and what could be improved. This data helps you refine your approach for future events. Sustainability is not a one-time task, it is an ongoing process. So next time you plan or attend an event, don't just focus on how it looks. Think about its impact. Ask yourself, is this event sustainable? And more importantly, what can I do to improve it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm Akanksha and I will see you in the next video where we will dive deeper into ISO 20121 and how you can implement it step by step. Until then, stay aware, stay responsible and keep learning.